15 minutes of fame.
You are now listening to 15 Minutes of Fame Radio.
Let's go.
What do you think is the worst thing that happened to battle rap since you've been around, and the best thing that happened to battle rap since you've been around?
The worst thing that happened was giving anybody a voice, and not people that really respect and love the culture. Like, I'm just talking about somebody who just looking for a quick hustle. Like thinking YouTube, if they go to this event and get footage of certain people, they're gonna get a bunch of clickbait and views and money off of us, but they don't really know the culture. They just mooching and leeching and putting their little 2 cents in it, and shit ain't adding up to even 5 pennies. Them niggas I don't like. But as far as what's good for the culture, I always like that you still got the older generation still teaching the new generation. Without us, well, I feel like once we really give up and leave, it ain't gonna be too much of this battle rap shit going on too long. I give battle rap a good 5-6 years. Once, cause Surf be home like another 3.
I don't know the number, but
a little after that, it's gonna die out. But that's just the anticipation to hear what he got going on, and a few others left. But after that, it's over. There's nobody else to pass the torch to that's gonna make us want to be. Oh, that's the new household names and all that. It ain't none of those.
That's a question I've asked a lot of times too. It's like, what happens without y'all?
I've been looking for the guys.
Can it survive?
Nah.
No.
I feel like it's gonna leave out when we leave out. You know what I mean? And it's gradually leaving out because some of us is letting it go. You know what I mean?
A lot of I start to notice that a lot of y'all are not battling as much, so you don't need battle rap money like you used to.
Right.
So it's like
you learned a different way.
Yeah.
And you was getting milk. Niggas was doing niggas greasy. You know what I'm saying? And niggas was independent contractors. It wasn't like we had any. You don't get no Medicaid off this shit. None of this shit. You just give me $20,000 from here. I got to pay the taxes on that. You know, I'm getting nothing. You ain't taking nothing out. You know what I mean? I ain't got no checks from the companies coming in like something that's ongoing. You know what I mean?
And if you don't pay, they gonna come get you eventually.
Yeah. And that ain't it. You gotta be on top of that shit. You gotta get money outside of the places.
No way these guys can withstand. Do you know at what tier or like what level, if it gets cut off at this level, like if it get cut off is from Surf all the way back to you, or can you?
Over. That's nasty work.
What about one level before Surf? So you keep Surf and his
No, but see, that's what I'm saying. Surf.
And his class, Surf in his class.
The level before Surf would be us.
Okay.
Then it's Surfing them. Because remember, we gave to Surfing them the wave that he took it from where he took it. Because before Surf, there's an Arsenal.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? Arsenal's the original jersey.
Arsenal go back with y'all though,
That's
no?
what I'm saying.
Okay.
Day one.
All right.
And then we got Surf. And then his era and them that came in. After that, it's just copycat season from there on. It ain't too many originals. Yeah, I feel like it ain't gonna be no more originals once we decide to leave, because y'all gonna get tired of the style. It's like you have your moments when you had drill, you had knowledge raps, you had hardcore raps,
gangster rap.
Now you got sexy red. Feel me? And then this from Sexy Red, it might go back to, you gotta go back to MC Light even to just make it right. We gotta find another MC Light or Rhapsody to make it right. And it's gonna be a minute. You know what I mean? And that's how I feel about that.
Because none of these young ladies, young women are even thinking about rapping like MC Light or Rhapsody or Queen Latifah.
Not at all.
Yeah.
Not with Sexy Red in the mouth.
Nah. That's the new shit right now.
Right. Boy, I love you. You're my everything. She said she only been with him a week. That's crazy. That's nasty workout.
Oh shit.
15 minutes of fame.
You are now listening to 15 Minutes of Fame Radio.
Let's go.